It's recording. And this is going to be on YouTube.
What? Oh, crap. Hi, YouTube. It's Emily. I just want to say that I did not like that video Emily goes shopping. Okay?
Yeah.
Hope you understand. They're also cook for you and punch you. I'm kidding. I'm wrong. Trust me. So, it's Emily Nowak. Hi. I'm gonna watch, Ryan's video. Okay? Alright, can you tilt it a little? Just so you know, guys, I'm on FaceTime.
Yeah, we're on FaceTime on iPods.
It's awesome. Well, I have an iPad too, so yeah, sure, whatever.
Just make sure you talk loud because this thing, you're like far away.
Okay. Wait, where are you? Is that Minecraft?
Yep, I'm on Minecraft.
Nice.
I'm in my amusement park, and there's tons of mobs in it. See? Zombie. Zombie? Do you see the zombie?
No, I don't really see anything except for blue sky. Oh, I can hear it. I can hear it.
Oh, you can't see anything? And here's Mr. Idiot Zombie.
Wait, did you ever see the videos Minecraft?
No, but he's hugging me.
The zombie?
No, I think this guy's kissing me. I think he's gay.
Happy?
Like dating a boy. Cause he just is like right up against me. He just kissed me.
Can you see my face though?
Yep. Die zombie by the power of the beacon.
What was the meanest thing that somebody ever did to you?
Almost killed me in a fight, but I got them back totally.
What did you do? What did you do?
I punched him in the face and he got a bloody nose.
Oh, not that. 'Cause the guy gave you a bloody nose or something?
Yeah,
Bloody up.
I punched him back.
That's nice. My face looks fat on FaceTime.
Does mine?
No, yours looks nice and skinny. Looks kind of normal.
The stupid mob's not dying.
That was funny. Wait, I'm gonna play with the video, of Land Shark. Okay? Do you want me to?
Nah.
I'm just gonna do it anyways.
Is it funny?
I'm just gonna play the song. It has a few swears. Is that okay?
Well, I can't have swears in my YouTube videos.
Oh, I'll turn it down, right here?
Yeah. Oh my god, the slime is riding the... Oh my god, a slime is riding my roller coaster. A slime is riding my roller coaster. Dude, you have to pay admission to go on that. See you later, sucker. Dude, get off my roller coaster. Stupid slime. This is actually really good for YouTube. Hi.
So you're putting on YouTube?
Yeah,
What are you naming it?
Minecraft playthrough.
I'm so tired. Look at my eyes.
I'm trying to kill the slime.
Look at my eyes. They're so tired.
Oh my god, I just hit him like twice and he's not even moving. He's still on the ride.
There.
Because I left it.
Wait, is your iPod gonna die?
No.
Ryan, chicken, boneless chicken nuggets and pretzels?
Nope.
Your mom's eating that for supper?
No. She's just
Asking?
she's saying what oopsies. She's saying what I'm gonna have for lunch tomorrow. Oh, come on! These imbecile slimes keep riding on my rope. I'm gonna get.
Bacon cheeseburger or macaroni and cheese?
I'm gonna make some slimes ride my coaster. Let's just spawn some slimes.
Don't be cute, just cute. Can I see the video?
Yeah, I'll tell you.
Is it like morning?
No, it's nighttime. I'll just have to get these slimes to ride in the roller coaster. I'm just gonna have to spawn some.
Like that. Now you're looking at like animals.
Miscellaneous. Yeah, I guess. Spawn slime. Spawn slime.
I'm gonna show you something.
Oh, yay! More slimes are riding in my coaster. Yay!
Yay, my nose. Did you not notice that?
Oh my god! Oh, come on! Oh man, they got in a crash. Now they're arguing over a minecart.
Can I watch YouTube?
Right, close
I'm
the
gonna watch
close again?
YouTube, okay?
Or whatever.
Yep.
You can still see me, I'm just watching YouTube.
Yeah. Was it Land Shark?
No, I'm gonna watch how girls watch TV about the same person. It's funny.
There's another slime riding my coaster. There's 3 slimes.
Nice.
Oh man, one of them fell off. See? There's a little guy. Little guy fell off. Go. I just killed him. And he's dead. Oh, here's a creeper. Don't blow up, dude. Dude! Ah, he just blew up.
I'm gonna play some Land Shark, okay?
Mm-hmm. A slime just jumped over the fence. With help by me hitting it. Oh, hi there, skeleton. Are you still there? Emily? Oh, come on. Emily? We just lost connection. We did.
Did you see me?
Yeah, it said reconnecting just now.
Oh, phew.
I'm burning in lava. I'm burning in lava.
No, it's 5:29 p.m.
Yep.
It's not that late. Two, I like gummies. I like gummy bears too. I like a lot of stuff.
Who is that?
What?
Who is that?
What?
Who's that thing that's talking?
I just said, like, I think that cows and puppies are sexy. And a lot of stuff I like.
A slime just drowned. These stupid idiots keep jumping into the water. And they're just gonna drown.
Do you just want to talk on your bed or something, or on the couch?
Yeah, YouTube's gonna stop in like now.